तीनों तबाही.
I'm not a big person now, but till 8th standard I was the biggest person.
That sounds very questionable. Size.
No,
That's what we want.
Will come out in places that you don't want it.
Stop saying come out, bro.
Welcome to Young Adults podcast.
Yes.
Welcome back. This time I'm also here.
Yes.
Again.
Yes, we got a third member replacement.
ये एक एपिसोड के बाद फिर से चेंज होगा.
तुम
Yes.
दोनों को छोड़ के कुछ
बदलता ही नहीं ना मॉडल.
बाकी सब बदलता रहेगा.
हाँ बाकी सब बदलता है भाई.
Consistency.
Yes.
It's a bond.
It's a bond.
It's a
James
bond.
Bond.
Yeah, we love doing this shit, bro. और वो बातें करना अच्छा लगता है कैमरा पे आके.
So एल्बम के बारे
Yeah.
ऐसा क्या करूं मैं कि तुम लोग व्यूज दे दो.
कुछ ऐसी बातें जो हमें पता नहीं है और
Yes.
उसको पता नहीं है.
हाँ.
कुछ अतरंगी बातें.
चटपटी बातें.
चटपटी बातें.
चटपटी बातें.
चटपटे चुटकुले.
ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है मेरे पास.
जैसे मैं बोलने से हम लोग एक पार्क में गए थे, मैंने वहाँ का एक बेसिन तोड़ दिया था, भाग गया.
बेसिन सिंक तोड़ दिया था. दर्शन तेरे को ऐसे नहीं लग रहा तू कुछ ज्यादा ही कंफर्टेबल होके बैठा.
नहीं भाई बैठ जा भाई मैं तीन भाई
तीनों तबाही.
तीन
वो अभी मैंने एक क्लिप देखा था इंस्टा पे, समय रैना और मुनावर बैठे हैं. दो भाई दोनों पे कार्रवाई.
नहीं भाई दैट्स वो हो गया अभी. वो उस पे बात करके व्यूज नहीं आएंगे ब्रो.
नहीं बता रहा था जैसे भी निकला.
या बट हाँ तू बोल रहा था कि तू किसी पार्क में गया था वहाँ का तूने
हाँ
सिंक तोड़ दिया था.
मतलब क्या हुआ, मेरे दोस्तों ने ना अंदर लॉक, मतलब 2 और थे, एक ने बाहर से लॉक किया हम लोग को, सब लोग को. तो सब लोग कैसे, तो एक विंडो से ऐसे जा रहा है. हाँ उसकी हाइट से वो विंडो से चला गया. अब वो बाहर जाके डोर ओपन कर दिया दूसरे ने, और बाकी सब लोग बाहर निकले. इन लोग ने मेरे को लॉक कर दिया अंदर. सो एक विंडो मेरे हाइट में है बट मैं चढ़ नहीं पा रहा हूँ उसके ऊपर. हाँ. और एक विंडो बहुत ही ऊपर है.
हाँ.
तो मेरे को हो नहीं रहा था, तो मैंने वो सिंक पर पैर दिया, और जैसे ही मैंने पैर दिया वो नीचे गिर गया
और वो टूट गया.
और वो टूट गया.
उसके बाद हम लोग भागे पार्क से.
और वो ऐसा पार्क है, वो सिटी का, टाउन का मेन पार्क है वो.
टाउन का मेन.
मैं ऐसे बचपन में स्कूल में करता था. आई रिमेम्बर when I came back to अलीबाग, तब एक बार ऐसे क्लास में था एंड मैं I am not a big person now, but till 8th standard I was the biggest person. मतलब जितना मैं अभी हूँ मैं 8th standard से.
That sounds very questionable. Size.
No.
That's what we want.
I
Shaban guys.
The biggest person right now.
I mean as in मतलब कि जो my height right now.
Yeah.
8th standard.
I'm still not sure. I was the biggest person in the class.
I was tall.
मैम का मैं फेवरेट था.
मैम का क्यों फेवरेट? Nah, bro.
I mean, I was tall.
Yeah.
Height.
Yeah.
Physically. I was tall.
You just make it worse. Don't stretch it now. Yeah.
So point being कि मेरे सारे दोस्त तब 10th standard के थे. मैं तब था 8th standard में.
Yeah.
नहीं 7th standard में. 6th standard.
You're big in 6th standard, bro.
Yeah, I was pretty big in 6th standard. But yeah, point being कि तब all my friends were in 10th, तो मैं उनके क्लास में जाके बैठ जाता था.
अच्छा.
और I wouldn't get caught because I was
Big.
yeah. I was big as yeah.
Yeah.
तो
Big ass.
मैं as fuck बोलने वाला था, but I was like PG.
नहीं PG नहीं है. कब हो गया ये PG?
Never mind. हाँ.
Yeah.
क्या बता. But yeah, and वही कि एक दिन मैं बैठा था और फिर टीचर आ गई एंड अटेंडेंस लेने लग गई. तो लाइक ओ फक, अभी तो पकड़ा जाऊंगा. तो मैं उठा, बैक बेंच पे बैठा था और पीछे ही विंडो था, तो मैं विंडो से छलांग मार दिया. और आई वॉज वेयरिंग दिस यू नो दोज बूट्स, ब्लैक शूज पहना होता है, उसको हील्स थे.
Okay.
And I jumped out एंड ही लग गया कांच पे,
हाँ हाँ
एंड इट्स लाइक अ वेरी क्वाइट क्लासरूम,
yeah
एंड द होल स्कूल इज क्वाइट
Yeah.
बिकॉज पीरियड मतलब यू नो चल रहा है,
yeah
तो वो ऐसा वो ट्रर बजता है, उसके बाद एवरीथिंग गोस क्वाइट, राइट?
Yeah,
वो
yeah.
क्वाइट चल रहा है और मैं ऐसे छलांग मारता हूँ और पूरा ग्लास
yeah
करके फूटता है और ऐसा एको होता है और द होल स्कूल, like all the teachers, all the classrooms, everyone is coming outside and checking. I'm standing out there. Glass shattered everywhere.
क्या बैडास लुक होगा कैमरा में
ma'am the biggest guy the biggest boy broke the glass
एंड एक तो ग्लास भी तोड़ दिया
Yeah.
दूसरे क्लासरूम का, और बच्चा क्लासरूम का भी नहीं है, ये तो 6th स्टैंडर्ड का बच्चा 10th के क्लासरूम से बाहर क्यों निकला है? एंड इट वाज I was very famous back then.
so why did you
For the wrong
but
things.
why did you switch classes ऐसे
दोस्त ही
10th
बड़े
standard
थे
में
ना।
मेरे
ना
सारे-
6th में
अच्छा, क्योंकि मेरे सारे दोस्त 10th के थे,
but then पढ़ाई
पढ़ाई तो
how many times did you do that though like every day
I would do that very regularly, yeah. Because see, so what happened is, school bus में,
yeah
so again, I wasn't there कभी,
Yeah.
तो मैं पहले बार मतलब 6th स्टैंडर्ड में ही आया मैं मतलब,
okay
तो I started school and बस में जब travel करते हैं ना तो a big person who's pretty tall. They don't that all the 10th standard के बच्चे मेरे जितने ही थे.
okay okay
तो
okay
they
okay.
just thought कि I am one of them.
Oh,
so
okay.
सामने बस स्टार्ट होता है, तो this is the bus.
yeah
तो इधर सारे छोटे बच्चे बैठते हैं,
Yeah.
फिर और छोटे, फिर थोड़े बड़े होते हैं, फिर
Yeah.
बड़े होते हैं, और सबसे बड़े 10th 12th वगैरह सारे
वो
पीछे
सब
बैठते हैं।
लास्ट में बैठते हैं
तो मुझे उनको लगा कि मैं उनके क्लास का हो, तो वो लोग मुझे आजा आजा बैठ जा, और
हाँ,
मैं तो
हाँ।
मुझे तो कोई मैं किसी को नहीं पहचानता था, तो मैं
Yeah.
भी जाके बैठ गया कि जो मतलब जो अपना रहा है उसके साथ बैठ
हाँ,
जाओ,
हाँ,
वही होता है
हाँ,
ना कॉलेज में भी।
Yeah.
स्टार्टिंग में कैसे सब लोग जब रैंडम ग्रुप्स बन जाते हैं, फिर बाद में
Yes.
समझ में आता है कि हाँ भाई ये
Yes.
थोड़े गलत है, ये थोड़े चूकी है, ये थोड़े इनके साथ नहीं रहना है, फिर ऐसे friends कम होते जाते हैं।
I'm taking shots
अरे नहीं, इट इज यूनिवर्सल।
I might know all of your college
SY में
friends.
मेरे साथ हुआ, SY तक पहुंचते आई सॉ इट हैपनिंग विद FY के नए
Yeah,
स्टूडेंट्स,
yeah.
TY में एंड आई लाइक अरे यही होने वाला, अभी मस्त बच्चे सब सारे हैप्पी अभी देखो 1 साल बाद सब अलग अलग घूमेंगे।
और रिलेटेबल है भाई
या तो भाई जो सबसे पहले मेरे को अपना रहा है तो उनके साथ जाके बैठ गया, तो मेरे सारे दोस्त उधर ही बन गए, फिर उनका क्लास चलता था, मेरे को बोर होता था मेरे बच्चों के साथ, मैं नीचे जाता था उनके क्लास में मस्त टाइम पास करता था।
Damn भाई
फन डेज
Damn.
भाई मतलब ये और है भाई कि तुम मतलब अपने से बड़े भाई बड़े लोग के साथ घूमते हो।
हमारे स्कूल बस में तो देयर यूज्ड टू बी लाइक वी यूज्ड टू रन लाइक ऐसा फाइट क्लब टाइप थिंग्स या
What are you talking about?
like now it's over right now
Yeah,
nobody does that we
yeah,
left the legacy कि स्कूल बस ही बंद हो गया उसके बाद एक्चुअली they stopped
क्या करते थे मतलब स्कूल से बाहर?
so स्कूल छूटता था एंड उसके बाद we used to go in बस जब तक स्कूल से लाइक स्कूल के सामने से बस निकल नहीं रहा है तब तक व्हील सेट, जैसे ही हाईवे पे चला गया बस नाउ वी लाइक यो ये बंदा आजा तू आजा लड़ो
Fight.
and we used to like root for one guy and then जो जीतता था
सट्टे
वो
लगते
जीत
थे
जाता था।
उसमें,
नहीं
पैसे।
सट्टे तो नहीं लगा, इतने बुरे भी नहीं थे सट्टेबाजी।
मैंने बिजनेस चालू किया था। अरे नहीं, हाँ, this happened in Dubai when I was in Dubai.
Okay.
Scoobies पता है तुम लोग को? I don't
The
know तुम लोग के
wires
ज़माने में
and
पता-
all.
हाँ
Yeah,
यार,
yeah.
तुम लोग के जमाने में थे,
नहीं,
मुझे तो नहीं पता रहेगा,
मैं तो हूँ,
12th का।
हाँ।
हाँ, but
तो उसको भी नहीं पता
so ऐसे wires रहते, colorful wires रहते हैं,
Yeah.
and you
make some things out of them
Oh,
yeah
okay, got it.
and you know
हाँ, पता है,
key
पता है,
chains
पता है।
जैसे बनता है, lot of Scoobies।
मैंने एस्ट्रोवाई का बूट बनाया था उससे
Oh, nice.
yeah I was really good at it but then I lost all the
Same, even I was very good at it. तो मैं मुझे I got introduced to it and I started learning क्या करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं, और बहुत ऐसे डिजाइन्स, उसका DNA और उसका जो नॉर्मल डिजाइन वो स्क्वायर वाला,
Yeah.
वो सब 4
कैसे
वाला।
बनाते हैं मैं आज तक नहीं समझ
bro it's
पाता।
very
I still
easy,
remember,
right?
अगर मेरे पास होता तो मैं करके
हाँ.
दिखाता, but anyways point being कि मैं वो बनाने लग गया and I realized कि everyone wants it but nobody knows how to make it.
yeah
हाँ,
So बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी।
yes good
मैंने लंच मनी
breaking bad चला रहा है आर्यन
मैं तब 4th स्टैंडर्ड में था और 5th स्टैंडर्ड का एक लड़का था, तो हम दोनों मिलके-
यार जैसी ब्रो
हम दोनों मिलके करते थे। वो जाता था लोगों को ढूंढने और मैं बैठ के बनाता था, और हम लोग ऐसे बिजनेस चलाते
no way bro
And
yo Mr. Shadwin
स्ट्रगलिंग
स्ट्रगल तो मैं बचपन से
हसल
करते
किया
रहा।
है बचपन से हसल किया है ब्रो
Yes, भाई। और वही लंच मनी लोगों के मतलब 1 दिरहम 2 दिरहम का बेचता था मैं।
bro।
ऐसा कॉम्बो ऑफर भी रहता था ये सब। फिर एक दिन प्रिंसिपल ने बुलाया, एंड उधर प्रिंसिपल बुलाना इज अ ह्यूज थिंग बिकॉज़ इट्स अ ह्यूज एज स्कूल, यू नो,
Yeah.
इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल, जेम्स एजुकेशन, आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर फ्रॉम दुबई यू वुड नो।
Yeah.
जेम्स एजुकेशन करके एक वही मतलब स्कूल,
Yeah, it's a school, yeah.
so it was a huge as school, तो
Yeah.
उधर का प्रिंसिपल इज लाइक अ सेलिब्रिटी होता है।
Yeah.
मतलब ऐसे कभी कभी दिखता है जब ऐसा मतलब
Event
कुछ
वगैरह।
इवेंट
yeah.
इवेंट आ रहा है तब दिखेगा, और वो दिखेगा तो बहुत बड़ी बात है। हाथ
Yeah.
उससे हाथ मिला लिया,
वो काम करते हैं ना एक्चुअली
हाँ।
इसीलिए हमारा प्रिंसिपल तो घूमते रहता था भाई, लड़कियों से बातचीत करते रहता था पूरा टाइम।
ये सब मैं नहीं बोलना चाहूंगा, I have no clue, not me, I don't know, but क्या पता भाई कौन से प्रिंसिपल देख रहे हैं मेरे, मतलब I've had a very good relationship with all my faculty
I
in
did.
college।
स्कूल में
उसके
नहीं,
बाद थोड़ा मैं
कॉलेज में आई हैड या
मेरा उल्टा था, स्कूल तक तो मैं बहुत ऐसा I was good,
सेम मेरा भी वही है।
I was good with all the teachers, I was very notorious, so वैसे भी वो जानते थे, but ऐसे एक बार हो गया, 2 बार हो गया, तीसरे टाइम तक उनको समझ में आता कि ये बच्चा अच्छा है दिल का, बस थोड़ा है
ये आई वॉज फ्रेम्ड, आई वॉज बेसिकली लाइक what happened once was कि one of my friends he did something ऐसा मस्तीखोर, and he was like Piyush blame ले ले, and I was like ठीक है, you're my friend, I'll take the blame, and just because I took that blame मेरा पूरा school life मेरा वही चला है कि he's the bad guy, yeah, that's why I don't like my school।
तेरे को मूवी बननी चाहिए वैसे।
It's a Pixar movie, it's a proper Pixar ऐसा Disney animated movie।
फिर इसका कुछ तो
yeah, continue, I didn't mean to make you guys sad bro। yeah,
मैंने भी किया है वो, I remember my cousin Aditya, I mean people who know
yeah.
who know me personally, yeah, but I remember बचपन में मैं तब समर वेकेशन के लिए आता था, and I was very notorious, I was the worst kid bro। मतलब I remember people being like कि अगर आर्यन आ रहा है तो सब सामान संभाल लो, जो भी टूटने उठने का सामान है ऊपर रख दो, उसका हाथ नहीं रखना है, you know, I was that kid, and मैं it was natural to me कि मैं किधर जाऊँ और कुछ तो तोड़ के आ जाऊँ, कुछ टूट नहीं रहा है,
भाई
you know?
फायदा क्या मेरा वहाँ जाके?
हाँ,
वही exactly।
हाँ। लोग ऐसे होते हैं ना कि हम इनके सामने पहचान बनाने के लिए अच्छा बनना है, आई थिंक इट्स लाइक मैं तोड़ूंगा तुम लोग के इसमें गलत इमेज बनाऊंगा।
That's how you know get to
You
know
leave a
that
mark।
are they real or not।
हाँ, फिर भी बुला रहे हैं तो मतलब ये
हाँ।
ओ जी
real जी।
they really care for us।
Yeah।
But yeah, I used to be that kid।
You didn't say what happened after principal called you।
कुछ नहीं, वही बुला दिया और फिर
Yeah।
वही पूछ रहे थे अभी अच्छा बिजनेस चला रहे हो इस एज में, क्या उम्र है तुम्हारी, क्या what is wrong with
When
you?
was this? Yeah।
This was when I was in 4th standard, this happened in UAE।
Dude, ये 4th standard में भाई।
तब स्कूबी बहुत चल रहा था।
हाँ तभी तो चल रहा था।
बहुत पैसे भी बना लिया था मैंने, बहुत
हाँ।
पैसे बना लिया था, मतलब
Dirhams कितना है इधर?
दिरम्स इधर आई थिंक अभी कुछ तो 80 नहीं,
वो तो डॉलर हो गया।
ओके नेवर माइंड।
I think it's more than dollar, right?
नो आई डोंट थिंक सो,
डॉलर से ज्यादा नहीं है।
डॉलर से ज्यादा नहीं रहेगा।
It's something 50 something, yeah।
हाँ,
गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन मत दे, पहले ही वैसे बोल।
Misinformation podcast number 1।
जो भी था उस टाइम पे बहुत ज्यादा था।
18 rupees when I came here, that was
Okay।
I don't know, I'm not sure।
Yeah।
बहुत गलत information।
Yeah, so how much did you make?
I don't remember, but it wasn't a lot of money। तब
He's
का-
covering up।
No, I'm not covering up।
He
It
was-
wasn't a lot of money for us right now।
Oh, yeah।
उनको लंच मनी लोगों का मिलता था, उनको 1 दिरहम मतलब का मैं बेच रहा था।
हाँ।
तो मेरा तब का सी मेरे को खुद का टिफिन मिलता था, वो खा लेता था, उसके बाद कैंटीन जाता था और ऐसा कप्रीसी कुछ तो करके एक ऑरेंज जूस का ऐसा एक ये आता था,
हाँ, it's like a bag, right? Yeah, you put straw in it.
ऑरेंज कलर,
Yeah.
वो लेता था मैं, और फिर कुछ मफिन्स ले लिया, फिर एक चिप्स का पैकेट मिलता था उधर, इट वाज वेरी डिफरेंट टेस्टिंग, ऐसे क्रूटॉन्स जैसे रहते थे।
I don't know crouton.
क्रूटॉन मतलब वो क्रूटॉन्स मतलब वो जो टोमेटो सूप में डलता है,
स्ट्रीट फूड वाले भैया
फ्राइड ब्रेड बेस।
Is it tater tots जैसा कुछ?
Probably, I don't know.
Fuck it, if it's bread तो bread, हाँ.
It's cut up bread, you know,
Bread.
just cube shaped bread. fried
Yeah.
bread. But yeah, ऐसे रैंडम शिट खरीद लेता था मैं, फिर खाता
Damn,
था।
bro.
ये एक दिन में आता था ये सब।
एक दिन में तो नहीं आता था ये।
अरे he was running a business ना, तो he had money,
ये
finance.
बंदा थोड़ी खरीदता था मेरे से।
तो
और हाँ, मतलब टाइम पास होता
if
था।
demand है और तू सप्लाई देगा तो
तो भाई,
पैसा तो
हाँ,
बनेगा ना भाई.
बड़ा
तो
इकोनॉमिक्स के चक्कर में
so when did the Mr. White, did you stop after that though?
I had to.
Oh.
Principal तक जाना is a huge thing. My parents को call and everything.
Okay.
I mean, they weren't call, but उनको call गया and they were like कि आपका बच्चा तो business चला रहा है।
It's the school, bro. They try
They
to
should
make
have, they
it.
should, उल्टा they should have been like
Yes,
कि अरे
bro.
वाह
करो
मस्त।
They
इसका
tried
दिमाग अब
to-
से चल रहा है,
yes.
अभी से पैसे बनाने हैं इसको। They stopped me there, man.
They stopped you into the matrix.
Yeah.
दुबई है ही पैसे वाली जगह भाई
भाई
क्यों नहीं
पैसे
बनाएगा?
बनाओ यार, वही तो. I think they wanted some, cut out of
Cut
it.
out, हाँ।
I should have offered a cut. देखो, I'll do you a deal. You keep 20%. You
Shark Tank. Sharks.
Equity मांगूंगा।
बट अगर फिर वहाँ का प्रिंसिपल कटआउट मांग रहा है तो भाई
तो क्या?
थोड़ा तो शेम है भाई कि भाई
क्यों
इतना
shame
बड़ा
है?
स्कूल चला
अरे तेरा काम बन रहा है, उसका काम बन रहा है. Why is it a problem to you?
Cutout कौन मांगेगा यार?
बच्चा बिजनेस क्यों चला रहा है? वो भी तो गलत है।
That's
चलाने दे रहा है तो
such
उसको कुछ तो मिलना चाहिए ना। सबका प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए। मैंने तब इतना सोचा नहीं यार, डैम।
some genius and
अभी तो
fuck type shit,
सोचो
bro. आज हम business बनाएंगे.
अभी क्या स्कूटी में जो गाने नहीं चल रहा है मेरे।
ए, चल तो रहे, गाने तो चल रहे, bro.
प्रमोशन चाहिए।
या
करो मेरा
देखो दायरा सुनो यार जाके.
दायरा सुनो।
पूरा एल्बम सुना है।
डाल दो
या
नीचे।
7 गाने हैं इसमें
7 गाने
एक
हैं।
रीजनल सॉन्ग है
Yes.
एंड हाँ सुन लो यार
ये रियल आर्यन शाबिन बोले तो सही लगेगा, राइट?
हाँ यार, कोई-
वो डुप्लीकेट बोल रहा है अभी.
दायरा के बारे में कुछ बातचीत करूं मैं?
हाँ
करो
Sure.
एकदम शॉर्ट में.
हाँ एकदम शॉर्ट में, ताकि
Brief
आप
दे दो
लोग
क्या
भी
है।
बोर ना
और वील टॉक अबाउट इट लास्ट में, ऐसा एक थोड़ा सा ड्रॉप करते हैं. Like we'll talk about something, then we'll talk about one song,
हाँ,
then
so
we'll
that
talk about
audience
something, then we'll talk about one song.
हाँ चलेगा।
ये
दायरा
better
as an album that I just released.
Yeah.
7 songs, 7 stages. अभी थोड़ा बातचीत करेंगे फिर फर्स्ट ताकि रिटेंशन रहे.
Yeah, so tell me, what's the most chaotic thing you have done in your childhood?
I was going to tell you about Aditya's thing.
Yeah.
I was very chaotic, man. I was very chaotic, and I understand why people were scared of having me. So I was very very notorious. I used to be very expressive, I guess. मतलब मुझे बहुत चुल था.
Okay.
I wanted to be like, अगर मेरे साथ कुछ गलत हो रहा है तो I would stand up for it वाला चीज.
Yeah.
And I would fight back. I would अगर हम लोग मोनोपोली खेल रहे हैं, मेरा टर्न मिस हुआ, किसी और ने ले लिया, मैं उसको बजा दिया. बजा दिया और वो रो रहा है और वो छोटा है, मेरे से छोटा है और मैं बिना कारण उसको बजा दिया.
गेम है इट्स गेम
Yeah, it's a game. It's Monopoly.
And ऐसा मतलब it's like a family get together party चल रहा है, all the kids are put in a room, बंद कर दिया ताकि वो लोग बाहर बैठ के दारू पी पाए.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. And ताकि बच्चे बीच में आके बकचोदी ना करे. और
Yeah.
मैं बैठा उधर सारे बच्चों के साथ, और फिर मेरा टर्न मिस हो गया, मैं बजा दिया, वो रो रहा है और अभी उनका पार्टी खराब हो गया, वो लोग अंदर अरे यार क्या हो रहा है, all that stuff, या फिर आई रिमेम्बर पूल में बच्चे को गिरा दिया, पुश कर दिया मैंने बिना कारण, ऐसे ही टाइम पास में
डुबा रहा हूँ बच्चे को.
डुबा रहा हूँ. बच्चा हो तो इट इज फाइन. मतलब आई वाज वेरी स्मॉल एट दैट पॉइंट.
19 आया नहीं है
अभी का बात नहीं है ये सब. But I was very notorious and I used to get scolded and beaten up a lot.
ऐसे हरकतों पे तो
हाँ वही which was important.
Yeah.
because of which, with time, I started becoming more calmer.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
started becoming more, controlled.
Yeah.
और एटलीस्ट मेरे में वो आ गया कि भाई 4 लोग के सामने थोड़ा चुपचाप बैठ जाओ.
ऐसे हो जाता है, मतलब जो
I never thought bro Aryan might be ऐसा like शांत like I know him like शांत ऐसा. I didn't know he was like that chaotic kind of guy. bro.
हर किसी का होता है बचपन में, जो भी ऐसा chaotic मस्ती वाला
हाँ, वो उल्टा होता है.
वो भी लॉक इन हो जाता है
बहुत
वही.
एकदम
जो बचपन में शांत है ना,
हाँ, वो अभी chaotic हो जाते हैं, और जो बचपन में chaotic था वो अभी जाके शांत हो जाता है. ऐसा मैंने देखा तो है.
मैं बचपन में भी ऐसा ही था.
ज्यादा कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ है, तो अभी होगा. We will wait for
2 more breakups. two more times listening to Daira. Yeah, so tell me about the first song, which is a regional song. Well, how is it pronounced? I don't know.
Okay, so the spelling is, तो लोग ऐसे अजगे बुला देते हैं, मतलब it is not अजगे, it is अरगे.
Arage.
I'm not sure if people.
So why is there a Z in there?
It's written like that. I mean, whenever R is not, we can't write R. So every time I've seen people, not people, it's whenever it's written, it's always ZH.
Okay.
R is ZH. You're supposed to pronounce it as R.
Okay.
लाइक ये कौन से लैंग्वेज में प्रोनाउंस करते हैं उसकी?
साउथ में हो जाता है, I think मलयालम.
R तो Marathi is also R is there.
ल होता है,
र.
र नहीं होता है. र मलयालम और तमिल में होता है. तो it's excuse me. तो it's arage means beauty. It the first stage.
Okay.
When you're falling in love,
Yeah.
or when you're getting attracted to someone, is attraction.
Okay.
You find a person interesting.
Okay,
You like
okay.
them. You see. You want to know more about that person. That
Yeah.
stage, it's attraction, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
Arage is a song about attraction, about
Uh-huh.
a person who's attracted to another person, and
Yeah.
his feelings, her feelings, their feelings, whatever.
Uh-huh.
I don't want to, मेरे को ऐसा नहीं करना कि लड़के के पर्सपेक्टिव से या फिर लड़की के पर्सपेक्टिव से. It's universal.
It's
how
open
you
to
take it.
interpretation,
It's open to
yeah.
interpretation. But yeah, तो वो इंसान का thoughts, that beauty
Yeah.
को जब experience किया, और he's saying कि you're so beautiful. Meeting you, one of the lines literally translates to meeting you feels like everything turns into a poondottam. Poondottam is a garden,
Okay.
flower garden.
Okay.
So seeing you and meeting you feels like everything around me turns into a flower garden, and it's a lot of praises.
Okay. So who made you feel that?
My girlfriend.
Oh, okay. Drop more info.
But no.
No.
I mean, I don't want to say कि मतलब it is. I want it to be universal. I want it to be.
Yeah, to everyone, so everyone
Yeah.
can relate to it. Okay.
But yeah, for me, my girlfriend
Yeah,
made me feel that
cool.
for sure.
सही है.
So what do you think about the Gen Z relationships right now?
Gen Z relationships.
Yeah.
What a topic.
What is Gen Z relationship?
It's like all the terms
Am I
and
Gen
all.
Z?
ना?
I don't think so.
I don't think I'm Gen Z, right? Wow.
नहीं, it's basically the term is कि जो youngsters है वो Gen Z. अभी तो
Young
Gen
adults,
Alpha आ गया, young adults. Yeah, they are Gen Z, but like mostly it's like now ऐसा क्या कहते हैं? It's very fluid, subjective है वो कि people like जो Gen Z act कर रहा है वो Gen Z है. And Gen Z relationships basically वही है कि being like normalizing everything about relationships which are like very special moments वो भी normalize कर दिए अभी. That's what I'm saying. Like basically first kiss, it's normalized now. Like anyone will kiss anyone at the point. That's what I mean by Gen Z relationship.
What is there to think about it? If people are doing it, so if people are doing it.
So do you think it's right or wrong? That's what.
Personally speaking, I wouldn't want. I don't know, man. I wouldn't want to do that.
Yeah,
So I would see. It's like for example, me and my girlfriend
Yeah.
were talking that the other day, and it was very basic. मतलब it doesn't have anything to do with this. It's just that कि हम लोग हम लोग भूखे थे. We skipped a meal or something because of something that was happening. We were busy doing something.
Yeah.
So I had leftover fried rice at home, and we were like, we'll order
Yeah.
food. So we ordered food, but I was very hungry, and she was also very hungry. But she was like, I'll wait for the food to come so that वो एक wait मिल
That's
जाए,
cute.
and then I'll have that food, so I'll be able to enjoy it more. Me on the other hand, I was like, nah man, I'm very hungry. There is leftover food. I'll eat that right now, and then खाना आएगा वो भी खा लूँगा. तो मैंने जाके खा लिया वो.
Okay.
मेरा पेट भी खराब हो गया. तो अलग बात. And other than that, the food that came, I wasn't even able to enjoy that food. I wasn't even able to complete that food. वो खत्म भी नहीं कर पाया. मैं थोड़ा सा एक दो निवाला खा लिया, and I was like कि हाँ ठीक है. And it didn't even, I couldn't even enjoy that food.
Yeah.
The fresh food that just came.
Yeah.
On the other hand, she could. वो मस्त बैठ के मस्त खा लिया उसने, मस्त पेट भर लिया.
Okay.
Good food. Point being कि I think certain things should be, waited for, like she did with that food.
Oh, okay. That's
You should wait for these things. Like अभी ऐसा first kiss shouldn't be just ऐसा
कि मिल गया, हाँ हो
मिल
गया,
कर
वही
लिया,
वही.
ऐसे
That's
time
fine.
pass में कर लिया ऐसे ही. वो चीज नहीं हो जाना चाहिए. Because अभी I know that is what is happening. And why if you Malayalam में there is this saying कि amidam amrudam vishaman or
Okay.
something like that. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I don't speak Malayalam, but it translates to amrut.
Okay.
Amrut is supposed to be the godly
God,
liquid,
yeah.
that gives you
Yeah.
a lot of powers or a long life. or something.
Eternal youth, something.
yeah, something like that. So anything बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया तो it will be वो भी विश हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
Even अमृत भी विश हो जाएगा अगर ज़्यादा मात्रा में क्वांटिटी में consume कर लिया तो.
Yeah.
तो भाई you shouldn't overuse it. and
Makes
you shouldn't-
sense. What I feel about this Gen Z drama is कि like nowadays like I have been seeing like social media and even like लोगों के thought process. It's ruined kind of, I would say. But I don't know why it's very normal. It's like a concerning part because if we think about like not talking about the people who are already in a relation like me, I'm single. So I need to search for someone who can do all that. But like मेरा last breakup इसी वजह से हुआ because like it was too normalized for her and not for me. She was like, let's just casually like do stuff. And I was like, no, what the fuck? I need to wait. Like there should be at least some feelings to reciprocate कि हाँ चल भाई now
should have
I'm
meaning, there should be weightage.
Exactly.
कर लिया वाला scene नहीं.
वही वो like बस time pass है, कुछ time नहीं चलो.
I mean, it's very subjective. You whatever kind of life you're living and whatever your goals are in life के ऊपर रहता है वो चीज़.
But then we can't even blame this on like people tend to blame this on the Western culture and shit, but we can't blame it on that. I don't think Western culture has this whole.
ये ऐसा लाइक थिंग है कि Gen Z मतलब इन लोगों ने टर्म बना रखा है टू बी जस्ट अ कूलर पर्सन.
नहीं, I don't think that. It's not Gen Z. It's basically.
It's easier living.
Yeah.
It's lazy living.
Yeah, exactly.
बट वो एक इसके अंडर आता है ना, वो एक टाइटल के अंदर आता है ना, देन
Non-challenge.
हाँ
कि कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
हाँ,
कुछ
Yeah.
वो एक टाइटल के
प्यार हो
अंदर
ना
आता है.
हो, बंदी छोड़ दी नहीं छोड़ दी. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
हाँ वो भी है.
देन वो एक टाइटल के अंदर आ गया, उसके अंदर एक लोग भी हुए ना, तो वो सब लोग को टारगेट करता है.
Damn bro. But then I don't know bro, I just feel it's very wrong. Like I'm not able to find someone like partner for me, and sometimes there are times when I like just start panicking. What the fuck? What if I stay single for life? What the fuck? What if I don't find
ऐसा
anyone?
नहीं होने वाला.
I'm 19. I know I think a lot for a 19-year-old, but yeah.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. क्यों पता है?
अच्छा सोचना चाहिए ना.
है ना like
भाई सोचते रहोगे तुम, मिलते रहोगे लोगों से, मतलब
I
At
don't
the
know.
end of the day, when you want to settle down,
Yeah.
and you want to actually feel good stuff for a person, you won't be able to respect them. You
Yeah.
won't be able to feel good thoughts about a person just because they have been on the street. I don't know what
For the streets.
for a long time.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know, but whatever. But I mean, I'm not one to say much either because
Then people might get offended. Yeah, I get it.
I don't want people to feel that I'm against it or something. It is just personal. मेरा personal एक क्या कहते हैं?
Like
हाँ,
opinion
है
and
इस
yeah.
चीज़ पे. But I don't disrespect or I don't think it's wrong either because I know people who. It is about what you go through. Oh,
Light चला गया.
is that an issue? We can continue.
नहीं we can
Yeah,
continue.
I have known people who have gone through stuff with past relationships and you know in their love life where they have reached a point where they feel ki it is weighing them down
हाँ.
or you know being in a relationship is not exactly you know matching with their lifestyle or their goals you know.
Yeah.
So, for people like that, it is necessary to not be in a relationship, you know.
Okay.
So, I don't, and then they all obviously have needs. They are also humans. They want to have sex, right?
Yeah.
So, they will do this. They will have that casual stuff.
Now what worries me is like, you know, it's fine, chalo, I can put up with the fact that TK people are not like they used to be pehle, and it's not very like sacred, like the whole part of about being in a relationship, it used to be very pure. I don't think so इतना था, but लोगों के लिए होता है कुछ लोग के लिए, and now it's like the point is now I'm scared to even go out there and meet new people. That's the thing which is
Why are you scared, bro?
I don't know. What if चल ठीक है भाई मैं गया रिलेशनशिप में, शादी वादी हो गई, अगले दिन ड्रम में मिल गया तो
ये कंट्रोवर्शियल है नहीं क्या बता मेरे को.
it is controversial but
It's not controversial until वो लड़की पे नहीं है. अभी ये भी controversial
लड़की
है.
का मन क्या चल रहा है, वो उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, it
मैं ये
depends.
बोला तो ये भी controversial है.
No, I'm not saying every girl will put me in a drum, but some might also use something else.
Relationship तैयार कर.
I don't know. Selection तो है मेरा गलत.
I mean, don't just get married and figure out what's happening. I mean, meet a person, get to know people. I'd say if you're asking for advice or something,
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. I mean,
Yeah, go ahead.
I mean,
give me advice.
all I would say is that be out there, put yourself out there, meet people. Don't get attached. Get attracted. The second stage from the album.
Yeah, बस तुम्हारा.
बस तुम्हारा.
That's what I was gonna go.
पहुंचो, attract हो जाओ. अड़गे सुन लो.
Yes.
है ना? वो एक phase तुम cover कर लो. And वो phase में तुम ये भी understand कर लो कि how the person is, what their you know what background or what kind of thinking है. And उनका goals, उनका whatever you figure that out in the first stage. Then you go to the second stage. बस तुम्हारा हो.
Yes.
Attach हो जाओ.
Okay.
तो बस attach मत हो जाओ. बात करने में क्या है? कुछ issue नहीं है. You feel someone is interesting, you talk to them, you have a conversation, you share stuff, you get knowledge or you know you understand people. You figure out new people, I guess.
Tell me about the second stage now.
Second stage.
Yes.
बस तुम्हारा attachment. Attachment is the worst.
Exactly.
If it is not with
exactly.
the right person.
Yes.
So yeah, the second stage is attachment after attraction, and उस पे मैंने गाना बनाया बस तुम्हारा.
Yeah.
And बस तुम्हारा is a song that you know सुबह को मेरे शाम को मेरे खिल उठाता जो है वो तुम ही हो. कि that person is sold, man. कि भाई I'm sold by whatever you are, whatever you have to offer. I'm just yours. जो भी है, you know, there is nothing left. It's all yours. That is that stage. So yeah, that's pretty much बस तुम्हारा. And I mean, what else can I talk about it? I mean,
what do you think? Is it about like you want her to be possessive about you? Like I'm just yours. Be possessive about this, please. please.
मेरा हो जा
Please मेरी हो जा.
It is more of, I mean, communication is very important in relationships.
Yeah.
And it is more of surety. Ki, you know, I'm all yours. And
Now you're not supposed to be
you.
worried about me going somewhere else.
Yeah. I think so. Okay, I'll tell you one more thing. जो अभी तक मैंने disclose नहीं किया था.
Okay.
I am making a vertical series
Yeah, okay, for the album.
for the album.
Okay.
And it will be coming out very soon. Hopefully, I would have announced something about the series by the time the podcast is out.
Okay.
And I'm pretty sure maybe एक episode भी आ गया रहेगा because you're saying कि
Next week ही जाएगा ये.
next week जाएगा, next week, right? Yeah, probably, you know, let's hope.
Yes,
एक
let's hope.
episode भी आ जाए. But yeah, I'm pretty sure teaser तो मैं डाल ही दूंगा.
Okay.
And what I'm basically gonna do in that series is that there's a story, the story that I wanted to show with this album, जो concept है.
Yeah.
So it is about how a person, the main character, falls in love.
Are you acting in that?
Yes.
Okay.
I am acting in that.
मेरे को आर्यन ने पूछा था एक बार
किसके लिए?
समझावे के शूट पे
क्या?
दर्शन एक्टिंग कैसे करते हैं बता.
Just shut the fuck up, yeah. Continue. Let's not go there, भाई. वो हो गया भाई last episode.
Sorry man, I'm sorry. Last episode कब आया था अपना first?
एक साल पहले.
एक साल हो गया यार.
रुकना टिम पे आएंगे बाद में. That's about moving on, right?
Next कोई तो एक म्यूजिक वीडियो मिलूंगा. कुछ ना कुछ.
You don't have to, please.
मैं भीख नहीं मांग रहा हूँ भाई से.
नहीं ले रहा तेरे को.
It just hurted him a lot. ऐसा दिल पे लगी उसके.
I'm sorry man.
मेरे को मेरे दोस्तों ने बहुत बुली किया है उसके ऊपर. सारा एक म्यूजिक वीडियो में आया थोड़ा वो बोल रहा था किधर है तू.
हाँ, बोलना पॉडकास्ट पे आया.
हाँ, अपन कुछ कंटेंट बनाते हैं.
हाँ चलो.
या
तेरे
cool.
दोस्तों को दिखाने के लिए अपन कुछ तो कंटेंट बनाते हैं. ठीक है, प्रमोशनल. मैं हाँ मैंने लिया था यार इसको बट फाइनल कट.
Yeah, so talk about the series more. It's not important. उसका.
But yeah, so it's about this main character, and I want to. I feel it's a feeling that a lot of people have felt, you know, and it's something that I think a lot of people can relate to.
हाँ.
You know, कभी ना कभी लाइफ में हुआ ही रहेगा ऐसे मुझे लगता है. And इसीलिए where we show a person, the main character, falling in love, getting attracted, getting attached to a person, falling in love, and then realizing that the person in front wasn't reciprocating.
Okay.
You know, I don't want to give more of.
Yeah, don't reveal the
नहीं,
story.
वो थोड़ा हिडन नहीं रहेगा तो अच्छा रहेगा.
Yeah, exactly. So, but वही, so बस तुम्हारा हूँ मैं, the person, us, whoever is listening, the listener,
Yeah.
is saying कि you know, I'm all yours. I'm giving you full assurance, and it is about that person longing for their assurance. You know, it's kind of that too.
Relatable, yeah.
Where I'm saying, yeah, I'm all yours. I've kept everything. I've placed everything in front of you.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that you would too, and you're waiting for that assurance, and that translates, or you know, transcends to Basira,
Yeah.
Love, Mohabbat.
Yeah. Which is the third song, right? Yeah, cool.
Third song and also the third stage.
Yeah.
So you are in love, and twist होगा.
Okay.
जो हम सीरीज में देखेंगे.
Okay, cool. So,
मतलब 6-7 एपिसोड की सीरीज या उससे कम. प्लानिंग चल रही होगी. ठीक है.
so बस
Planned तो है सब, बट अभी देखो.
एग्जीक्यूशन.
Execute हो जाएगा तब देखो.
अच्छा.
Execution, I mean, Yeah, it's short and everything.
Yeah.
It's there. It's there. इतना ही बोलूंगा, इसके आगे मैं नहीं बोलूंगा.
Yeah, yeah.
ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूंगा.
Basically, I
बहुत
was-
बोलना है यार.
I was trying
मैं बहुत टाइम से कर रहा हूँ ये चीज. तुम कब सुनोगे?
वो एक
कब
होता है ना,
जानोगे?
एक होता है ना कि एकदम तुम स्टोर कर रहे हो
You want people to watch that. Yeah.
देख लो साले देख लो.
But yeah, I'm pretty sure you'll be very entertained with it.
Yeah, cool, bro. What do you want to say about Basera, the third song? What happens in the stage of Mohabbat?
मोहब्बत,
Yes, sir.
प्यार,
प्यार.
लव, दोस्ती यार. ये क्या है? वो कुछ तो डायलॉग है ना यार. But yeah, बसेरा is obviously about love. वो, I mean, मेरे बोलने से पहले ही लोगों ने तो मुझे बता दिया कि ये गाना प्यार के ऊपर है.
हाँ.
है ना?
Yeah.
क्योंकि मैंने तो वो गाना प्यार के ऊपर बनाया नहीं था, to be honest.
Yeah, yeah.
It was about a breakup, जो मैंने I think last
Yeah, last episode में you said.
हाँ,
Yeah.
बताया था मैंने. But it has become the song of love.
Uh-huh.
And
It is, I guess.
yeah, it is. And
Well,
I
it has-
realized कि when I listened to the song again, from the perspective of a listener,
Huh.
I realized कि it is a song about love. You know, it is about a person again having, you know,
Having feelings for someone, yeah.
and putting everything out there and telling them that.
I think even when I heard Basera for the first time, this is what went through my mind ki yo, I was dedicating it to someone. So yeah, it's basically about
I'm realizing there's a pattern in all of my songs, you know.
हाँ.
Uh-huh.
कि the way I write, I'm telling story, and the story is always about the fact that कि bro, मैं हूँ इधर, तुम किधर हो, तुम क्यों नहीं आए?
लाइट भाई गलत टाइम पे जाती है.
Yeah, so Basera, like I said, not a song about love, but with time I realized, you know, like after I listened to it from a listener's perspective very recently, and I realized कि there is a lot of things in that song that I've written,
Yeah.
which can be seen from a different perspective as well.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know, and it actually is a song about love.
Okay.
And like अभी नहीं, I think you can't speak about it. No.
Yeah, take it, कोई
I'm
नहीं,
open
बोल
about
देते हैं अभी.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, मतलब भाई.
हाँ, so,
I'll speak about it, yeah.
मैंने जब बसेरा रिलीज हुआ था तब मैंने सुना था और उसके बाद I
मेरी बंदी बन
started-
गई. मेरी बंदी बन गई.
हाँ, मेरी बंदी बन गई. Bas that's it. नहीं फुटेज मिलेगा देखो. हाँ तो as you said कि from your perspective वही ब्रेकअप सॉन्ग है, पर जब एक लिसनर के हिसाब से
Perspective,
सुनोगे
yeah.
तो इट्स अ लव सॉन्ग.
Yeah.
वो सच में चेंज कर देता है किसी का भी ओपिनियन. इफ समवन ट्रूली लव्स समवन लाइक
I don't think- हाँ.
अट्रैक्शन भी होगा तो वो गाना चेंज कर सकता है.
Perspective.
Yeah, because भाई मतलब like you, a lot of people have come up to me and told me about, you know, this is our song, this is the song, मतलब जिसकी वजह से our relationship started.
Yeah.
और this is the song
Must
जो
feel
हम
good,
हमेशा
भाई.
सुनते, you know, stuff like that.
That must feel very good. I'm like, यार मेरी वजह से हुआ चालू भाई. मेरी वजह से
क्रेडिट्स
चालू.
दे रहे हैं, हम हनी सिंह नहीं है. Credits दे रहे हैं.
No, but like I would agree because I don't think I've told you this or not, but yeah, when I heard Basera first time, I was also like talking to someone, and then वो feelings जो आया मेरा उसके लिए, that was because of Basera only. तो yeah, that
Love maker.
लव गुरु.
love guru.
Love guru. Love maker तो कुछ अलग है. Sorry, my bad.
आज Aryan is on the wrong track, bro. He's just like I'm big. Love maker. Serial love maker.
सच्चाई बाहर आ गई है तो अभी. But yeah.
Do
So
you-
yeah, because of which वही song को हमने love के लिए डाला, मोहब्बत के लिए डाला.
Okay.
And then comes.
Let's not go there. Yeah. अभी फटफट नहीं करते आराम से.
हाँ.
Yeah. So basically, do you know that इमरान हाशमी को बॉलीवुड में सीरियल किसर बोलते थे?
हाँ, yeah.
Yeah. So
I was alive at that point. Well, I used to watch movies at that point.
I heard this recently only, and I was really crazy. serial kisser भाई. But हाँ,
He was one of the first people to, openly kiss
On screen, yeah.
And at that point, I think Bollywood में वो ज़्यादा होता नहीं था. And I mean, if you watch his movies at this point,
Yeah.
it doesn't feel weird, bro. But back then, I remember it would be like watching porn.
yeah, exactly, yeah.
Like whenever his movies came on the, मतलब TV
गाने आ गए, yeah, yeah.
गाने आ गए, it's like oh shit,
That-
change कर दो,
that-
reboot
that
कर दो. Why? I mean, at this point, अभी देखेंगे तो there is nothing weird about it,
Yeah. The worst song that जिसका
Visionary
visuals,
था बंदा,
yeah. Like the worst song, like visually, it was that ना भीगे होठ तेरे, yeah, that was a song जिसका music video was very questionable.
Yeah.
वो कोई नहीं देख पा रहा. अच्छी बात है, तो you are not from that generation, right? I was like in some
आज देखूंगा.
first second, what the fuck? I was in some first second standard तभी bro. Like when I used to I didn't watch but TV पे आता था तो we used to change it, yeah.
मैं एक दिन ना ऐसे गेम खेल रहा था घर पे, कुछ तो पार्टी था.
GTA 4 खेला, GTA 5.
नहीं, गेम खेल रहा, मेरे को ऐसे गेम, व्हाट इज दिस यार, कितना
Sorry.
व्हाट द फक.
हाँ, continue.
हाँ, तो मेरे पीछे एक कपल था. हाँ.
Okay.
तो
Yeah, हाँ, अरे continue बोल.
तो पीछे कपल बैठा था, मैं गेम खेल रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
और मैं पीछे देखता हूँ, वो किस करता है, और मैं ऐसे देखा, छी. और मैं आगे पीछे फिर से game
Family function में.
मैं बेडरूम में बैठा था, वो पीछे बैठा था, मतलब कोई नहीं था रूम में.
पर कौन था ये कपल? तेरे फैमिली के रहेंगे ना वो तो.
इसलिए तो मैं बोला नहीं, मैं कर नहीं सकता.
Cousins? नहीं. Yo, that's weird. Oh no.
वही फैमिली फंक्शन में एक कपल पीछे बैठ के मेकआउट करते.
That's very weird. Like
मैं ऐसे पीछे मुड़ा, छी.
फिर
फिर से मैं गेम खेलने लगा. शिट यार, मर नहीं रहा ये. एंड देन वो लोग दूसरे ऐसे बताते हैं, वो उनके फैमिली में वो लोग बात कर रहे हैं इसके बारे में, दर्शन का ऐसा रिएक्शन था. मतलब भाई मैं 4 साल का बच्चा हूँ.
अच्छा 4 साल का था. हाँ ठीक है, तो तभी इट्स नॉट वियर्ड. लाइक इफ यू आर लाइक सम 10, 12, 13, 15 तो इट वुड हैव बीन वेरी वियर्ड.
तब मैं 12, 15 का था, तो मैं बड़ा होना चाहिए.
4 साल के बच्चे को क्या ही पता ब्रो.
4 साल का तो नहीं रहेगा तू. 4 साल.
सॉरी, नॉट 4 साल.
उम्र में क्या GTA क्या
हाँ,
6 से 7 साल.
देन दैट्स मोर कंसर्न कि तू GTA 5 खेल रहा 4 साल की
नहीं
उम्र.
खेल रहा था यार, कुछ
हाँ,
और
जो
खेल रहा था
भी
यार.
तो आया भी नहीं था. पर ठीक है.
हाँ बे.
कोई और गेम खेल रहा था मैं. और तो वो लोग ऐसा फन में होता है, ऐसी क्या चीज़ है भाई जो लोग इतना सीक्रेटली रख रहे हैं बच्चों से.
ठीक है, दैट मेड मी अनकंफर्टेबल बट ठीक है.
मेरे को भी करा है भाई थोड़ा.
Why is this podcast so much about sex?
Yeah.
Because
But
we
I
said-
mean,
Even I didn't plan this.
yeah, it's like I mean
The-
sex education.
नहीं एजुकेशन तो नहीं हो रहा है. We are just talking.
हाँ.
ठीक है भाई.
Yeah.
या सो या चीटिंग पे आते हैं.
Cheating नहीं करनी चाहिए.
Yes.
It's very wrong.
Yes.
I don't support. Very bad.
Now, right now there are like these double standards on social media कि yeah, even if you cheat so you should like consider forgiving them. What do you think? Is it forgivable?
I mean,
If someone
it
cheats,
fucks up everything, bro.
Yeah.
There is nothing left. How again? Why is the same things like I said? How can you respect that person again? How on क्या handshake क्या बोल रहे हो? There is nothing. I can't. There is nothing left.
like why are we defending on that? Like not we, but why are the people our age defending that?
Who is defending that?
So there are people, there are reels on this shit, bro. Ki like if your partner cheats on you, you should like consider forgiving them. This is what the Gen Z is all about now.
ये फेमिनिज्म और फिर वो मिसोजिनी में आता है भाई ये चीजें.
Yo, okay, you are on a very thin ice. You can't blame feminism for everything.
अरे मिसोजिनी बोला ना, for safe side मैंने मिसोजिनी नहीं बोला. Okay guys, that's it for today. I'm going.
You know actually क्या सीन है पता है क्या? हम लोगों ने एक ही कैमरा लगाया. If कहीं से आवाज आ रही है, it's not our lookout, okay? It's not my lookout, guys.
अरे देखो यार, मैं आज तुम कुछ भी बोलो, तुम anything,
Yeah.
कुछ भी बोलो, लोग उसको किसी ना किसी वे पॉइंट पे
लेने वाले, गलती लेने वाले, yeah. But feminism and उस पे नहीं. Fuck it, by cheating is wrong, guys. That's all.
अरे I'm saying cheating is wrong? मैं कहाँ बोल रहा हूँ?
Yeah, so next song, yeah, बसेरा के बाद क्या आता है?
अरे नहीं यार बोल मजा आया कुछ बात कर
मैं कहाँ बोल रहा हूँ भाई? मैं बोल रहा हूँ भाई चीटिंग गलत बात है, बहुत गलत बात
हाँ
है।
जी
It's not about feminism. You can't say feminism or misogyny everywhere.
अगर इसके बाद कोई लड़की
भाई फुटेज नहीं मिल रहा फेमिनिज्म मिसोजिनी
अगर वो इसके बाद लड़की कोई फेमिनिस्ट या फिर मिसोजिनी पे बात करे, तेरा रेज बेट नहीं होना चाहिए कैमरे पे। तेरा हुआ 2-3 बार।
It's not about misogyny. मेरा rage bait तब हुआ था when like someone was, it was like a proper crime happening वहाँ पे, and then people are labeling it as misogyny. तो that okay, let's not go there. It's very dumb to go there. दूसरा पॉडकास्ट देख लो जिसमें हम लोगों ने इसकी बात करी है। तो yeah, what after बसेरा?
बसेरा कुर्बते
Yes sir.
Kurbate
कुर्बते
is a song that that me and Hruday have
Yeah,
made,
yeah.
you know, in collaboration. And
Shout out to the bro.
Shout out.
Great guy.
And it's about meeting that person again.
After
Yeah.
ending everything.
After ending everything.
But isn't बसेरा about like start हुआ relationship उनका?
बहुत जल्दी खत्म नहीं हो गया?
Okay, I understood, समझ गया yeah. Okay.
इसीलिए देखो सीरीज
मैं बहुत
But-
सुनता हूँ अभी फिर।
Yeah.
नहीं, I mean, it's not just that. According to the 7 stages, it's something else which I don't remember anymore.
What was कुर्बते about?
I mean, if मैं भाई इसलिए I'm talking about the song only because I want these songs to be listened to as individual songs also.
Okay. Yeah.
But there is a stage which I'll talk about in a while.
Yeah.
Aqidat, which is translated to trust.
Okay.
Yes. So again, yeah, after Muhammad, then bhai,
Qurbate
what
is
builds
basic-
up?
yeah.
Trust आता है एक इंसान।
And then comes Tim Tim, which
नहीं.
is my favorite. नहीं,
Tim
उसका
उसका
Tim
पहले
Tim नहीं आता?
आयना आता है।
आयना, yeah, sorry.
But if you listen to Kurbate only,
Yeah.
that song is very much about the surety that you will meet that person once again.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
वो story अभी तक complete नहीं हुई है.
Yeah.
You know, and वो वही it's all about that meeting. It's all about what will happen once you meet. The song, if you listen to the song, the lyrics goes.
Okay.
कुर्बते साज है लौटने की आस है भाई कि मतलब लौटने की आस है
Yeah.
मतलब आई एम श्योर यू विल कम बैक
Okay.
उसके बाद क्या होगा कैसे होगा वो तो
God knows.
Damn.
बट भाई वो श्योरिटी वो ट्रस्ट in that person, that love that built.
Hruday has suddenly switched to singing, bro, and that's really crazy.
I know, right?
Like
I know.
I never thought कि Hruday had this whole other side to him.
Hruday was always a vocalist. So when I met Hruday,
Yeah.
I met Hruday and Anish एक साथ. मतलब
Yeah.
Me and Kritin met Hruday and Anish.
Yeah.
दोनों का अलग पहले से वो लोग अलग कर रहे थे. हम
Yeah,
पहले
yeah,
से ही कर रहे थे वो लोग.
NBS था तो.
Me and Kritin started out and then we realized कि I mean we came in the scene and then we met them one day. We were like मिल लेते और भी artists से जाके थोड़ा
Yeah.
बातचीत कर लेते. So we went there, we met them and we talked and we bonded and अभी तो मतलब अभी तो बहुत अच्छा
Yeah,
दोस्त हो गया सब.
it's whole
But-
बकचोदी, bro. I
Yeah.
just fucking feel ऐसा FOMO होता है मेरे को, तुम लोग का स्टोरीज देखता हूँ तो भाई.
But yeah, Hruday ने तब मुझे बताया था कि initially when he started out with music,
Yeah.
he's a classically trained singer.
Yeah, he told us. Yeah.
My man always wanted to sing, but उसके आजू बाजू के लोग at that point were making rap,
Yeah.
and it wasn't like he couldn't. He could very easily rap. It was very easy for him to do that.
Yeah.
All rounder बंदा है भाई, actor है, dancer
Yeah.
है. तो produce भी करता है, mix master भी करता है,
Yeah.
लिखता भी है, गाता भी है, अलग अलग languages में गाता है. Awesome man. But point being कि dude started out with rap because everyone around him was rapping, and then after he met
Yeah.
me and Kritin, and matlab not just then, whenever he saw our work, that is when it clicked कि oh wait, even at this place, at this stage, people are making music of this kind. They are still making, you know, melodic songs and indie songs. अभी भी बन रहा है.
It's not all about
Yeah,
rap.
it's not only
yeah.
rap that is happening. क्योंकि तब वो एक perception था, I guess.
कि रैप करोगे तो फेमस हो
हाँ,
जाओगे. I guess.
नहीं, रैप करोगे तो फेमस हो जाओगे से ज्यादा आई थिंक वो culture वो, you know, like you're starting out, right? You don't have anything in your hand, you don't know anything.
Yeah, it's basically the first step of getting into music.
बहुत
Yeah.
आसानी से वही करते हैं. Rap is very
Easy.
underground and easy.
Not easy.
I
but-
can't rap. I can't rap if you keep me at gunpoint and you. Like,
But you
rap
did
for your life.
but you did in Brahmit though. That is rap, right? Politically लोग ताकते हैं. Okay.
Rhymings है,
Rhymes,
rhythm है.
yeah.
It's a rap.
If I mean, sure.
I mean that's what we said. Like I was listening to Brahmit first time दोस्तों के
I
साथ.
didn't realize it was rap, but yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
melodic rap, I guess.
हाँ.
Yeah, melodic rap. Yeah, that's also a genre.
Rap के
Yeah.
भी अलग genres है. मतलब उसमें you can't say कि एक speed में बोल लिया then it is.
बहुत ही exposure fuck
Speed है
होगा.
तो rap है. It's not like that. उसमें भी अलग various genres है उसमें.
हाँ. So I guess I rap.
Actually the thing is rap इंडिया में आके evolve हो रहा है I think. क्योंकि like if you see initial जो old days था rap का 90s and 80s उसमें there used to be rhythm and poetry obviously and yeah तो वो like तभी 80s and 90s में it was Eminem Tupac वो लोग के टाइम पे it used to just be rhythm and poetry and they used to rap like it was rap, it was nothing, there were no additions to it, mumble rap ये सब नहीं था तभी. But since जब से वो इंडिया में आया है I've seen people like invent variations in it, like Sidhu Moosewala did it in like Punjabi rap music, like it's a whole different genre at the point कि पंजाबी rap अलग है, मराठी rap is different and then there's all these melodic rap and वो सब है.
अभी रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस में भी निकल जैसे तमिल हो गया, मलयालम हो गया.
And also one of the best examples how can I forget Ruab,
हाँ.
Dhanji,
हर इसमें.
jazz rap bro, jazz and hip hop he mixed it and one of the best creations of art I would say. That's proper art inside music, like we can see that because I was listening to Vayu Devta 2 days ago. It's by Dhanji and it has a whole ऐसा saxophone का एक पूरा ऐसा एक part है पूरा, like it's a verse given to a saxophone, like it's just saxophone ही चल रहा है उसमें सिर्फ. He's not rapping, he's doing nothing bro, it's just saxophone going and going. भाई how crazy it is, like just imagine वो produce कर रहा होगा वो चीज़, like yo I am not rapping on this, यहाँ पे एक solo डाल दे saxophone का and it will look good and it did.
मैं ये ऐसी थॉट मेरा मतलब लोगों का परसेप्शन ऐसा बन गया था. जैसे एमी वे के डैड ने उसने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था, मेरे पापा ने बोला था रैप इसमें सुर कहाँ है, ही सेड रैप में कभी सुर नहीं लगता. एंड नाउअडेज मैं जब देखता हूँ तो वो आजकल ना रैपिंग में वो लोग वोकल्स भी डाल देते थे.
Yeah.
पूरा सुर में ये होता है. इनमें लाइक ये भी हो सकता है बट वो कानों के लिए अच्छा नहीं लगता. फर्स्ट टाइम जब तुम सुनोगे वो तुम हैंडल नहीं कर पाओगे.
It's basically, I mean, like a lot of things you were saying था पहले भी था, but it's just that it's blending with culture,
हाँ.
you know, and as it blends with culture, वो culture के कुछ aspects होते हैं, the way you speak, the a lot of things, you know, the throw and all those things comes, it mixes with everything and something new is created, a new sound is created.
Rap is
which is very cool, which is very awesome.
Yeah, it's basically like a mirror to society. Whatever is happening over here, that is supposed to be like rap में mostly it usually started as black revolution, right? Like black people made rap because they wanted to express their emotions through that. So mirror से I would say आईना. Let's go.
रैप में होता है वर्ड.
We do podcast.
Wow. I did not see that coming. मैं सुन रहा था, I was like, damn. Oh wow. But yeah, Aina. Aina is the fifth song,
Yes sir.
which is also the song that I made सबसे end में.
Okay.
The last song that I made was Aina.
Okay.
And Aina kind of feels like a start to Tim Tim for me.
Okay.
But I later realized after the whole song was made कि it is not just a
Start.
intro or a
Yeah.
start to Tim Tim. It is more of a क्या कहते हैं? It's a song.
हाँ.
And
Yeah.
it's itself, you know, it's a whole song. And it's a very beautifully created song, you know, like it starts off as nothing.
Yeah.
And then it grows and grows and grows and swells and becomes something
Crazy.
crazy,
Yeah.
you know, something great. And
Which transcends into Tim Tim, I guess, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And Aina also, so what Aina is about devotion, which is the fifth, क्या कहते हैं, stage
Yeah.
in love. So it is also about how a person, when he realizes कि, you know, maybe it is not gonna happen. That
Yeah.
person, I'm gonna lose this person.
Yeah. Yeah.
I would still, क्या कहते हैं, sorry, it's not devotion, it's worship.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ibadat is worship, yeah.
Yeah.
Devotion, worship, yeah, kind of the same things.
Yeah.
But वही कि क्या कहते हैं, I'm sure that you and I won't be a thing anymore.
Yeah.
But I still don't want to lose hope. So maybe in another world, you know, in another life or in another world, in some other state. So इसीलिए वो बोलता है कि, you know, मतलब in the lyrics I say कि आए ना है ये या चौखट कोई जिसके उस पार हम मिलेंगे कहीं. जैसे रूमी का वो रॉकस्टार तो देखा रहेगा.
Yeah. Yeah.
तो उसमें there is this line, right, कि मैं वहाँ मिलूंगा उस पार मिलूंगा, ऐसा कुछ तो there is this line.
Meeting on the other side.
हाँ,
Yeah.
it's about that, कि meeting on the other side, because in this life, in this world, probably the society or whatever issues you have, it's not gonna happen in this world, in this life.
Yeah.
So उस पार हम कहीं तो मिलेंगे. वो एक hope और वो एक, you know, it turns from normalcy to something that you are building up in your head.
Okay.
You know, like
Basically.
worship, it's devotion.
Yeah. Basically, it's like कि तू ये जन्म में मेरी नहीं हो सकी, so I can
हाँ.
try for the next life or वैसा कुछ.
whatever is there after
Yeah,
life,
yeah,
you
yeah.
know, somewhere else, because not in this world.
Yeah. That's.
So that is Aina.
That's crazy. भाई.
And वही चीज के वजह से, you know, वही कि मतलब मुझे वो एक difference और वो एक going from reality
Yeah.
to going to something, क्या कहते हैं, something different and something great, something in another world दिखाना था.
Yeah.
वही इसीलिए I did it from nothing to something, ऐसा वो एक transition जैसा दिखाना था मुझे को.
I thought Aina was something like, you know, like I see myself in you, वैसा कुछ. I thought this is what I interpreted it for that.
Could
Yeah.
be if, I mean, yeah, मतलब there could be a lot of meanings here, obviously.
Damn.
But
बस
वही
तो हर कोई रिलेट करेगा ब्रो को द सीक्वेंस कि तुम अट्रैक्शन होते हो, अटैचमेंट होती है, प्यार होता है,
Detachment
trust
होती है.
हाँ भाई, तो हर कोई वो फेज में फील ही कर पाएगा, हर कोई अपने आप को वहाँ रखेगा. Then
Yeah.
basic concept
That's crazy. That
if
whole.
इसके अलावा भी कुछ है then
What do you mean? Like, this is what I feel. Okay, like now that he has said कि it's like a 7 stages of love वाला album, right? And now people out there have it to interpret it on their own कि हाँ हम लोग हमारा interpretation डाल सकते हैं इसमें.
हाँ.
तो it would be more crazy if we listen more stories from people कि like what do they think about the
like,
album.
for example, what you said, like exactly, like Basera was a breakup song and it turns out to be a love song.
Yeah, even Innocent नहीं, we were talking about some other song as well, like you told me that this is not the meaning of that, this is what I thought behind it. I forgot, I think it's Door or something only, I don't remember, but yeah, or maybe it was Basera only. Yeah.
Bro, I think
Yeah.
Basera पे हमने, we have talked about this in the last podcast.
Yeah, bro. Last podcast में तो I was fanboying, bro. I still am actually, but yeah, that's crazy.
Thank you so much for doing this.
Nah, man, we are grateful we have you here, bro. Like that's one. Yeah, fuck it, I'm not gonna. Like, ऐसे वापस fanboying चालू हो जाएगा. हाँ. नहीं चुप हो जा. Yeah, so now let's go to Tim Tim.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then Tim Tim is the 6th song.
Yeah, the second last stage of love.
Junoon.
Junoon, okay.
Junoon is the word I was looking for. Junoon, yes, translates to madness.
Okay.
My lovely girlfriend is sitting there. It's a whole thing because I don't
Yeah.
remember the stages.
Yeah.
But yeah, Junoon.
It's the dedication towards love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's more than dedication. मेरे लिए वो चीज था कि worship तक पहुंच गया आदमी. अभी worship तक पहुंच गया आदमी. There is no hope left for him. He's still कि in some other life, in some other world,
Yeah.
somewhere else ऐसा. अभी वो भी चला गया. अगर वो भी option या फिर वो भी एक that
नहीं
last
रहा
ray
है.
of hope भी चला गया. तो क्या? तब भी अगर वो आदमी उधर ही अड़ा है ना,
That's his
madness. That is
yes.
Junoon. That
Okay.
is, and that is the song Tim Tim. And I mean Tim Tim वो word I mean या फिर जो song का नाम है वो सुन के लोग बहुत ऐसा Tim Tim मतलब ऐसा people always think it's a peppy song or something.
हाँ.
तो टिमटिमाते तारे हैं.
Yeah.
But it's not. Tim Tim actually for me it was कि
I posted a story saying that I cried to this song at midnight.
yeah I saw that.
Yeah.
तारे चमकते टिमटिमाते हैं.
Yeah.
There is this sparkle or sort of what would be the English word for it? I'm not sure.
I don't know.
But yeah, whatever. Like
Yeah.
a twinkle. Tim
Yeah.
Tim could be a twinkle. And वही था कि like when a person is crying and there is a little bit of tears left in that person's eyes, their eyes
Starts to glow or
yeah it
sparkles.
sparkles.
Yeah.
It's Timtimat.
So it's Tim Tim of
Yeah. So
okay,
that was
okay.
Tim Tim for me.
Damn.
And Tim Tim is a very special song. It's one of the most different song that I've made.
Damn bro, that's
टिमटिम ये वही है ना
Crazy.
लास्ट
जो हमने सुना था, yeah.
बसीरा sorry I mean
सब जावे के टाइम में when you came on the
हाँ,
pod that time we
podcast
heard
के
yeah.
बाद में हमने सुनाया था. That was
Yeah,
one of the earlier version of
Yes,
Tim Tim.
that was first draft I think. You
Yes,
were like
first.
मैंने कल ही record किया ये something yeah.
I made you guys listen to it.
Damn bro, we have come a long way.
And it took 1 year to release, bro.
Damn,
Which
bro.
is not okay. But
Nah, it is okay.
It is
Like-
packaged and made into something very different.
See,
yeah.
what I believe is if you are an artist now, तो if you think that this is unfinished, then it is unfinished. तो until you don't get that satisfaction कि हाँ यार ये बन गया now I gotta post it, तब तक I think you should keep it to yourself because like now I have like I write for that instance. I write films, I write scripts. I have a lot of short film का stories sitting in my laptop ऐसे ही. But I feel like मैं हर इसके पहले सा bracket में unfinished डाल के रखता हूँ so that I know that this is not finished. And रात को कभी ऐसे 1-2 बजे टाइम पास कुछ काम नहीं है just sit I like हाँ क्या इसमें गलत है ये करता हूँ sort ये करता हूँ sort. Then उसमें कुछ बन जाता है and then if it finishes. So recently I finished something. Might come, might not, I don't know. I don't know, might not.
जा रहा है अपना
But yeah.
गोल ऐसा
We might, and I've put some Bible references as well in that. Even though I'm a Hindu, but yeah, I took some inspiration from Bible and some stories, and which I'm a fan of Tarantino basically.
Okay.
So, though like one of his best art pieces are Pulp Fiction, which is one of my favorite films. तो like I saw that and उसमें Bible references बहुत ज़्यादा है. And one of the facts I've noticed in Tarantino का वो life का story is that he and I are very same. We both have had like very much influence of cinema since we were kids. And I have had Indian cinema का like बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा obsession. क्योंकि like when I was a kid, I never indulged into anything ऐसा अच्छे से. The only thing I liked was cinema. कि like I'm watching movies and that's keeping me going. And I don't know, maybe
Same.
Yes.
I've been that kid as well, like, but I don't know, but yeah, keep.
Yeah, that's all. Like that's what I'm saying. Ki, and like when I heard Tarantino ka story that when he never had his dad in his life, and his mom was like taking care of him, and his mom got him into cinema, and that's the same thing for me. Shout out Mama, she got me into movies and all. And Bro, my dad always used to, like when I was a kid, मेरे marks अच्छे नहीं आते थे exams में, and my dad always used to taunt me on that कि इसको फिल्मी बना के रखा है. And now I feel that like whole dedication towards cinema, I don't know, I might do something in that, or maybe in like the next
That's true,
10 years down the line I might.
भाई होता है भाई.
Yeah, bro.
ये इतना नहीं सोचते भाई, just keep working.
Yeah, bro, I'll
Putting
keep
your
working. Yeah,
efforts
yeah.
on the
So yeah, that's what I feel कि yeah, if it's unfinished, so you should keep it unfinished. क्योंकि I won't claim myself as an artist or something. I just write films. If you guys feel that what Piyush made is like equivalent to art, so yeah, you guys tell me that about that. So if I upload something in the next coming months, so yeah.
करो भाई, प्लान करो भाई, तुम लोग भी कर सकते हो, हर कोई कर सकता है.
हाँ, and nobody like अभी तो it's very easy. Everything is so
Yeah.
accessible. You can get information about anything, anywhere. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Even I was a little bit okay.
And that's how an artist is supposed to be. There's no end. Yeah. So yeah, let's talk about दायरा का end.
यप, तुम इतना आर्ट में घुस चुके हो चुके हो, so
Yeah. So now I'm actually hooked in the story. What happens in the end now?
You move on.
Okay.
Very simple. 'Cause you go through all of those stages and then you realize कि हाँ भाई ठीक है. It happened.
तो
now what?
इश्क ने
I can't-
बर्बाद नहीं किया.
हाँ, बर्बाद थोड़ी हो जाओ, you know. So
उसके भी yeah, cool. We were talking about ना हो तेरा. Yes.
yes.
Again.
ना हो तेरा.
Yes, sir.
ना हो तेरा. ना हो तेरा is a song about moving on. Literally जैसे नाम में the name itself speaks about नहीं हूँ तेरा.
Yeah.
And it speaks about you know, like ending a relationship and moving on, and once you're fully done with something, and when with that realization that comes कि मैं नहीं हूँ अब तेरा,
Yeah.
and you're proud about that to some extent,
हाँ,
you
हाँ.
know, कि अभी I don't care about this, I don't care about anything that ever affected me
Yeah, yeah.
anymore, and that's very empowering as well, you know, to be out.
Yeah.
And you were asking me a question.
Yeah. Basically, I was asking you कि like how guys should move on
Yeah.
easily.
easily
Yes.
move on कैसे करते हैं यार? कुछ नहीं भाई, सेक्स वुक्स करो, छोड़ दो ये सब दुनियादार. But
Stages of love.
the easiest way to move on, or the easiest way to do anything, is not always the right way to do something.
Yeah.
And again, here as well, the easiest way would be wait, sex hooks karo.
Fuck
Go
around.
to the street.
Go to the street.
just to move on. Relation में रह के नहीं यार, is not promoting cheat करना वगैरह.
Yeah, no, yeah, never, don't cheat. वो reaction नहीं देखा कि वो वापस repay करना है.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Find hobbies. Do stuff. Indulge yourself in things.
yeah, take your time with it.
Yeah.
Feel what you're feeling. Don't try to mask this shit, because trust me, trying to mask this shit will help you right now. तुम mask कर दोगे अच्छे से, but it will come out. It will come out. थोड़े time बाद. It will come out in places that you don't want it.
Stop
to
saying
come out.
come out, bro.
It will come out.
And you know, last verse they have a light will come out in the places it's not supposed to come out.
That's how you move on.
Yeah. I was trying to talk about mental health.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. We're gonna laugh at something out. But never mind. Point being कि don't
Be delusional or something.
No. It's not about being delusional. It works. I've tried it myself. It works.
Okay.
Stuffing away, your feelings, and stuffing away the.
In delusional, I'm saying कि like don't expect for them to come back or something.
Oh yeah,
ऐसा,
वो तो बिल्कुल नहीं, वही तो move on इसीलिए कर रहे हैं.
वही तो.
But move on करने का तरीका would be कि
be delusional,
Don't
but in a good way.
Stuff away your emotions. Don't run away from your emotions. Feel it as much as you can because it is very important.
नहीं
नहीं यार
नहीं continue, I will listen.
भाई हर मैं कुछ भी बोलूं तुम लोग
एक बार रोल दो, एक बार निकाल दो, कहीं
Yes.
किसी को एक्सप्रेस कर दो तुम्हें जैसा
जो भी है
लगता
टेक योर टाइम विद इट
Come out.
नेचुरली
Nah, bro.
नेचुरली आने दो उसको बाहर
But yeah, bro. Like
be done with it in the most natural way possible.
if you are going through
But
that,
yeah, why, like you said, hobbies, talking to people,
yeah.
being around positive people. Never try to isolate yourself.
Yes.
सबसे चूतिया चीज है
Be in the
Isolating
nature.
after a breakup, right?
तू भाई अपना
It's easier to do, I guess, because you're sad already and you can't face
That's
people. And shit like that
I feel that's
already.
attention seeking kind of, cause I have this thing. Okay, I have a friend I won't name, but the thing is कि like when you'll know eventually. Basically,
कट होने के बाद बता
yeah. When he or she is going through some kind of stuff. Okay. So what they usually think to do is कि like they'll turn everything off, DP हटा दी WhatsApp से, वो सब कर दिया, and now they are just like कि I'll be asshole to everyone. And it's not one person also, it's multiple. I'm saying.
Yeah, I know.
तो
I
yeah,
mean, I know
like
people like that.
they'll be just asshole.
DP हटाना तो बहुत common है.
वो
भाई.
हाँ वो तो it's
फिर लोग
weird.
पूछेंगे ना टेक्स्ट करके अरे भाई क्या हो गया तेरा डीपी
Isn't that
उसके बाद सैड
हाँ,
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं ब्रो
अरे सब ठीक है यार.
जस्ट लाइफ
होता है ब्रो
Hashtag
सब
क्राइम इमोजी
फिर स्टोरी पे डालेंगे कुछ सा रील.
भाई मैं पोएट्री करने लगा हूं यार अभी
इश्क
यार
नहीं है ये आसान
नहीं वो आएगा रॉकस्टार का कागा रे कागा रे.
Stop doing this man
भाई
आई मीन
एंड देन भाई उसके घर जाके देखो तो भाई नशे कर रहा है भाई. क्या कर रही है.
बट या हैंडल इट वेल डोंट रन अवे फ्रॉम इट वही बोलो
या लाइक
करने के लिए क्या नेचर में जाओ ट्रैकिंग वेकिंग करो अच्छा खाना खाओ
ट्रैकिंग
ट्रैकिंग नहीं.
ट्रैकिंग
कर रहा है
मतलब
मजबूरी में
नेचर में जाओ पार्क जाके बैठ जाओ बीच पे बैठ जाओ
नहीं पार्क इज नॉट द प्लेस राइट लाइक.
वहां तो देखिए और भाई
अरे पेड़ पौधे चाहिए आजू बाजू सनलाइट गिरना चाहिए इज द ओनली पॉइंट बाकी जिधर जो है देख लो
Yeah.
करो डू इट wherever you want however you want with whomever you want
what the fuck.
but yeah
What a craziest episode this has been, bro.
yeah
I think this is one of the
very weird
yeah it is
very
right.
sex related
Not really.
इट्स एवोल्यूशन गाइस
Like we did-
आर्यन पहले टाइम जब आया था तब ही वाज
We eventually started with school. What?
हां ही वाज टू क्वाइट ना फर्स्ट एपिसोड में
No, he was only the one who was speaking. No, actually it was
I
me
was
and
very
Aryan,
calm.
yeah.
I was trying to be very calm and
Yeah.
no, not trying to be I was at that point
This is like a whole circle movement for me,
Yeah.
bro. Young adults started with
जान
Aryan.
गए सबको
Yes, bye. And like now, the guest list has been.
व्हाट वाज दैट हाउ भाई
I don't know. But yeah, bro. ये episode का वो flow बहुत अच्छा था भाई. We started with like school and shit.
yeah
and then हाँ भाई. Oh, that's what happens. That's what Daira is all about, bro.
वो
दस्ते
stream-
जाना
Oh
है.
yeah, the
Spotify.
main point of Daira means a loop.
Oh.
Yes, Daira means a loop. A
And
loop
this
that
episode is
keeps
also a loop.
इट्स अ लूप
going. Yeah.
Yeah.
You go from attraction to the death of the relationship, and then what? You get attracted to someone.
Oh.
It's a loop.
And this podcast is also loop because we started with you and now we're here again. Damn. That's what. That's what.
yes
We're on cocaine or something. क्या 3 लेयर
तीन layer.
ट्रिपल आउट ऑन रहे. ठीक है शुड वी स्टॉप इट नाउ. लॉन्गेस्ट शूट भाई चलो गाइस दैट्स इट फॉर दिस
Thank
एपिसोड.
you for if you are still here, then bye.
या ब्रो.
तू
तुझे
सच्चा
मैं
है
puppy
भाई
दूंगा. Bye bye.
Yes, bye bye. See you in the next episode. That's Aryan Shabin.
Bye.
मैं क्यों कर रहा है मैं
This
तो
is Piyush.
मैं दिखने वाला मेरा एक सेगमेंट डाल
हाँ ठीक है.